Section 5. AI for Career Readiness and Future Planning Learning Objectives. 1. Recognize how AI is reshaping jobs and industries across the world. 2. Understand why early AI readiness gives students a future advantage. 3. Identify responsible ways students can use AI for career exploration and preparation. 4. See AI fluency as a core employability skill, not just a technical subject. Instructor voice, motivational, future-focused. Education is not just about passing exams. It's about preparing for the future you want to build. And here's the reality. Whatever career you choose, artificial intelligence will be part of it. AI is everywhere, across all careers. Medicine. AI assists doctors in analyzing scans, predicting diseases, and suggesting personalized treatments. Medical professionals who understand AI will make faster, better decisions. Law. Lawyers use AI to analyze huge amounts of legal documents in seconds. iReady law students can combine analytical thinking with speed and clarity. Agriculture. AI-driven sensors suggest planting times, irrigation schedules, and pest control. Farmers who understand AI feed more people efficiently. Business and finance. AI predicts market trends, detects fraud, and personalizes customer experiences. Managers who know how to apply AI become leaders in their industries. Education. Teachers use AI tools to adapt lessons for students. Educators who are AI fluent will design better classrooms for the future. Creative arts. Musicians, filmmakers, and artists use AI generators as partners in their art. Those who understand AI learn to guide creativity rather than fear it. The message, AI is not for computer scientists only. It is for everyone, everywhere. Why students need AI readiness? Now, employers around the world are already asking, does this student know how to work with AI? Being AI ready means you know what AI can do and what it cannot. You know how to describe AI use honestly in projects. You know when to question AI outputs. You use AI responsibly, diligence. This doesn't mean every student must be a programmer. It means every student must be AI fluent and AI aware, the way every student learned to be computer literate in the last generation. Using AI in career planning, AI can actually help students plan their futures. For example, exploring careers. Chatbots can suggest information about different professions. Skill building. Students can ask AI to create personalized learning pathways, like teach me Python basics step by step. Resume support. AI tools can suggest formatting improvements or help students write skill summaries. Interview practice. Students can role-play interview questions with an AI coach. But remember, this should always be support, not replacement. It's fine to ask AI, give me a sample resume layout. But the content, your experience, your achievements, must be your own. Otherwise, you are not planning a career. You're outsourcing your identity. Horizon Tracks Advantage. At Horizon Tracks, we prepare students for this reality. The Student Roadmap. To become career-ready, students should 1. Build AI awareness. Understand everyday tools. 2. Develop AI fluency. Be able to explain, describe, and evaluate responsibly. 3. Apply AI to student life. Use ethically in assignments, projects, and planning. 4. Showcase AI readiness. On resumes, in projects, in interviews. Students who follow this roadmap will stand out, just as computer-literate graduates stood out in the early 2000s. Reflection. Think about your dream job. How do you think AI will affect it? If you want to be a doctor, how might AI help diagnostics? If you want to be a teacher, how might AI personalize learning? If you want to be an artist, how might AI tools inspire creativity? Write down one way AI might change your dream career, and one skill you must learn to stay ready. Key takeaways. 1. AI is shaping every career, from medicine and law to business, agriculture, and art. 2. Future employers will value AI readiness as much as digital literacy was valued 20 years ago. 3. Students can use AI to explore careers, build skills, improve resumes, and practice interviews, but responsibly. 4. AI should assist career planning, not replace human identity or effort. 5. Horizon tracks provide students with future-proof AI skills endorsed by global experts and institutions.